Hey eufy fans, it's me Paul, admin of the world's largest eufy dedicated Facebook group, Eufy Security Camera Owners. Today I'm going to be looking at eufy's new lights, the E10 outdoor string lights. These lights are designed to hang over, say, a patio or to go around the perimeter of a garden. So what we'll do, we'll get these unboxed, set up and see how good they are. We get the power adapter, some fixings and the lights themselves. Again, there are two of these, so you can have them as long as this, or you can connect them together and have them quite a bit longer. I'll go set these up shortly and see what actual length we get in this particular model. The total length of this set is 98 feet or 30 meters. My plan with these lights is to hang them over my patio area to create a more atmospheric and defined area in my garden. I started the installation of these lights by drilling and attaching wall hooks to my house and one to a garden wall. These are close enough to my eufyCam to trigger the lights on motion detection. Something that became apparent to me is the distance between the light bulbs. They are quite far apart, so I decided to double up my cables to bring the lights closer together. This meant that I then had two lengths of cable rather than just a single cable, which looked quite untidy. So I decided to use the zip ties that came with the lights to tie these together and neaten things up. Additional to the light string section, the power cable section comes at 14 feet or 4.5 meters long, which means you can install this quite a distance from your power source. Here are a few specs on these string lights. We get two sections of string lights, each 49 feet or 15 meters long. These can be connected together with a waterproof connection, totaling a length of 98 feet or 30 meters. The power cable section is 14 feet or 4.5 meters long. They are IP65 rated. They are compatible with home smart devices such as the Amazon Echo, and they are compatible with the music flow feature in the app, which beats the lights to the rhythm of the music. You can also create your own light shows or use the AI feature in the app to create a light show for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Also, if you like eufy related content, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you soon.